Healing from the ground up, the ultimate workout to fix heel pain. Heel pain can put a damper on your fitness routine, making every step a struggle. Whether you're dealing with plantar fasciitis, Achilles tendonitis, or heel spurs, incorporating specific exercises into your workout routine can help alleviate discomfort and promote healing. In this guide, we'll outline a targeted workout plan designed to strengthen the muscles and tissues surrounding the heel, improve flexibility, and reduce inflammation, so you can get back to enjoying your favorite activities pain-free. 1. Calf raises. Calf raises are an excellent exercise for strengthening the calf muscles and Achilles tendon, which play a crucial role in supporting the arch of the foot and absorbing shock during movement. Perform both seated and standing calf raises, aiming for 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions. 2. Toe curls. Toe curls help strengthen the muscles in the feet and improve flexibility in the toes, which can alleviate tension in the plantar fascia. Sit on a chair with your feet flat on the floor and try to pick up small objects, like a towel or marbles, with your toes. Hold for a few seconds, then release. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. 3. Plantar fascia stretch. Stretching the plantar fascia can help relieve tension and reduce inflammation in the heel. Sit on the floor with one leg extended in front of you and the other bent. Loop a towel around the ball of your extended foot and gently pull it towards you until you feel a stretch along the bottom of your foot. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. Repeat 2 to 3 times on each foot. 4. Achilles tendon stretch. Tightness in the Achilles tendon can contribute to heel pain, so it's essential to incorporate stretches to improve flexibility. Stand facing a wall with your hands resting against it. Step 1 foot back and bend the front knee, keeping the back leg straight and the heel flat on the ground. Lean forward slightly until you feel a stretch in the calf and Achilles tendon. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. Repeat 2 to 3 times on each leg. 5. Ankle strengthening exercises. Weak ankles can contribute to instability and poor biomechanics, leading to heel pain. Incorporate exercises such as ankle circles, ankle alphabet, writing the alphabet with your toes, and resistance band exercises to strengthen the muscles around the ankle joint and improve stability. By incorporating these targeted exercises into your workout routine, you can strengthen the muscles and tissues surrounding the heel, improve flexibility, and reduce inflammation, ultimately helping to alleviate heel pain and promote healing. Remember to listen to your body. Start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. With consistency and dedication, you'll be on your way to healing from the ground up and enjoying a pain-free active lifestyle once again.